I should carry the tape measure and measure this, you know. Hold on there, me people. Me they go for the tape measure. Me have to measure this. It's a smile. 13 inch. 13 inch. 13 inch. It's all about corn is here. Alright, leaving this one to dry. Get to plant back. You don't know, you can't eat all of them. Why you have to do that? See? It's all about corn, you know, yeah. Few little grains, yeah. Don't know, cut out a lot, yeah, before. So, it's all about, as you can see, yeah. Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel, yeah. It's been a while, but I'm here. You don't know. It's all about Jamaican farmers, alright? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. And if you're new here, my name is Evah Slick. Stick and stay, alright?
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Alright, my people, big up on yourself, you know, one love to each and every one, you know what I mean, yeah? Altia Taylor, what's going on? Big up yourself, girl. As you can see, yeah, first time entering this little area where I'm gonna put this little organic farm. Whoa, there was a lot of space, but now, as you can see, yeah. Alright, these have some tomato here. Yeah, tomatoes and tree here. Also, cowboy tomatoes. I have a next plant over here. Yeah, full of blossoms here as well. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut, and it's been a while since I upload. So right about now, it's all about, there's a lot of things missing out here on the farm, because you don't know, it's all about, you know, we have to put on the pot. Do you remember in my previous video, this little area where I planted few little sweet potato slip? That is the reason why I'm telling the people. Watergrass. This is watergrass, you know, nice watergrass. I dry it up to bring to the fold, you know, to my chicks. But you know, forgot it. But yeah, put it here. Yes, my people, look upon the 5 little root piece of what I should say, you know, potato slip I plant here. Notice what is going on. Whoa! Look what is going on, my people. You see what is going on? That is the reason why I say plant something. So what I do, I take the sprout and I try to lead it in just the one little area here, because here fork up very soft. Yeah, as what the Callaloo man would say, soft. Yeah, so here, just the little surrounding where the sweet potato plant, yeah, it digged up very softly. All right, yes. So like these sprouts now, yeah, when them get taller, come out here, I lead them back into the group, you know, to keep everything in this little surrounding. But you don't know, sweet potato love to spread all over. Yes, my people, so this little cane root did plant here. And as you can see, me hardly can walk through the farm again in Altia. Yeah, hardly can walk through the little place again. My God, me can't believe it. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about, look at that. Okra. The bud files. One love to you all, man. Yeah, great channel, my people. Check it out, the bud files. Yeah, there's a lot. Yard food. There's a lot. Some of you guys are out of my brain because, you know, I've been here and there and everywhere. Yeah, my word. As you can see, yeah, I cut corn from here. As what Altia would say, my word. Big up yourself, Altia Taylor. For real. Alright? I'm trying to get through here, but you know, the place is so crowded. Alright, this is my patch of sweet potato. Alright, my people. To behold. Yeah? These are my okras. Do you remember in my previous video, there was a line of okra here? Well, this is it. And I pick a lot. As you can see, I pick a lot from here, man. Yeah, I pick a lot from here. And trust me, I'm going to tell you something about these okra here. These okra, when I get the okra, my son give me the okra to plant. It was dried. And when I measure the length of the okra, it was 7-inch tall. So I said, wow, this is a nice okra to plant. But look here, my people. I should carry the tape measure and measure this, you know. Hold on there, my people. Me go for the tape measure. Me have to measure this. Me have to measure this, my people. Hold on. My people, me have to go for the tape measure. Yes. I have to go back in the shop for the tape measure. Alright. Alright, my people. Because I don't want to tell you no lie now. I don't want to tell you no any lie, my people. Alright. This okra. Wow! Look where I put the tape. On the top of the okra. And look here. Jesus! Smile! 13-inch. Whoa! This is crazy, man. 13-inch tall. Look at that. 13-inch tall. Whoa, this is crazy. This is crazy, me people. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at the okra. 13-inch tall. Whoa. Tell them, me people. Well, let me say something. Alright, my people. Hear me now. Because I have to say this on camera. Face to face with you guys. Look on the tape. 13-inch tall okra. So tell me now, which one of the plate is 13-inch wide? You want to tell me something? This can't share pan plate. I have to have some 13-inch long fish to put with these okras. Ah! Trust me, my people. Trust me, my people. This is a case. 13-inch long. 13-inch long okra. And trust me, my people, it just start to grow. Alright. So listen. As you can see, I have corn that I cut out already. Yeah, and I have corn that coming up. And I have corn that fit. I have corn started to dry. And I have corn don't put out as yet because I don't plant all of them one time. You know, as a little farmer, you don't plant everything one time. You plant a little here, there, now, and then. Alright, as you can see here, I have corn just started to fit here. Alright, now my viewers and my subscribers, we come to our next part again. Do you remember in my previous video where I put the 3 Irish potato to spring, to sprout? Do you remember? Alright, these are the same 3 Irish potato. As you can see, bits and pieces showing up because the dirt wash away from it. As you can see, all these here are sprouts from the 3 Irish potato. So soon and very soon, me I got dig Irish out of this, my people. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get some more of the black soil and spread back here when all of them catch up and grow up out of the soil. You understand? Yeah, to keep them covered. Alright? So yes, my people. And there was a next thing again. In my previous video, there was a pumpkin root over here. Trust me, me don't know where pumpkin gone. The pumpkin there everywhere. As you can see, look. Yeah. Blossom. The pumpkin there everywhere, my people. See them there? Now I go length it out. Tell you in Jamaican term. See the leaf them there? Yeah? See the leaf them there, my people? Yeah? It's all about, you know. The place kind of have a little bush up and grass up and stuff, but it will still bear. See there? Yeah. It's all about my people. All about my people. The pumpkin, they all about my people. So yes. Me inside the farm. Me inside the farm. Me inside the farm. When you see the corn here dry like this, we call it the corn silk. The corn silk, but we call it the corn here. You know that the corn is ready. Yeah, you see it? The corn is very tough. Yeah, so you don't know. Corn can't eat. Alright, inside this fridge here, do you remember this fridge? Yeah. As you can see, I have corn plant in here. I think scallion is inside here also. But what I noticed with the scallion, when I reach to that point, I'm gonna show you what's going on. Callaloo is inside here also. I cut a lot of callaloo out here. Do you remember the apple banana? This is the apple banana plant. Yeah, apple banana plant. Wait, I have a cat here. He was sleeping. A cat was sleeping over here. The people, the cat did sleep. I'm gonna wake him up. Me wake you up, bossy. That's why I'm in bed. You see in bed look nice, me people. I'm in bed that, yeah. Alright. The apple banana that. Yeah, me need to get some dirt put around it. So that it get more moisture. Yeah. Alright. So yes, my people, back inside of our next fridge. This fridge, some scallion did plant inside here. I'm gonna tell you about the scallion now. I don't know, but me always draw out a little grass when me see them, you know. When I go through the farm and see a little grass, me draw them out. And me people, me have even cucumber. There's a lot of cucumber here also. Cucumber they everywhere. Yeah, cucumber all about. Afraid of them, you know. Yeah, cucumber they all about. No man, not that kind of afraid, man. Not that, oh the mother of Jesus. Not that type of afraid, you know. Alright. I notice when I plant the scallion just gets smaller. So there is something with the soil. You know what I mean? So I have to get a different type of soil to plant the scallion in. But the garlic is up and ready. Yeah? The garlic is up and ready. This is the garlic. As you can see. Whoa, some grass there inside here also. Some grass inside here, my people, and some whisk. So, whoa, what kind of grass? This is grass, you know. Me no want trouble the root of the root of the after do a day work inside here. Get out some grass, you know. Yeah. So yes, my people, that is the garlic. The garlic not too bad, you know. You can see straight a strive. Right here, I did alright. Onion was over here also, and the onion them, yeah. Them don't really stay up neither, so different style for them. I did have some pop chow plant here. Trust me, here was full of pop chow. I have 3 root leaf here. Look at them. 3 root I have leaf here. Beautiful, don't it? Look at that. That is a view, my people. Beautiful. We have to plant something, don't it? Yeah, man, we have to plant. Yeah? And as you can see, here is my ginger bed. Most of the ginger look like don't catch rock. So I have to do a different replant. I have the turmeric down by the shop to replant also. Over here is the thyme. This is what mankind need, time, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's what I said. I always try to draw dirt, grass out of the plantation. Alright, here, one of the callaloo bed. This bed was the kale bed. Yeah, the kale bed. Can see that one is there. Yeah. All right, over here I have some more of that same okra. Yeah, very tall. Yeah, as you can see here, I have red peas here. I don't have to buy red peas because I have some even over there. I don't have to buy no red peas this Sunday because I have red peas, but I don't really want to cook them, you know. I want to dry them and plant them back. That's it, you know. Yeah, so you plant, you get more. Always a draw out. No, I'm on dirty. Yeah, I have 2 root of pop chow here. I have 2 more root over there, but I don't like to plant the pop chow on the ground. You know what I mean? Because you know the worms and the insect, you know, jump across. Yeah, callaloo looking nice. Yeah, yeah, more okra tree here. So this fridge was the cauliflower. Was the cauliflower fridge. This one here, but I don't know what's going on because I want to see the cauliflower blooming out inside here, but not seeing that, you know. But don't know, just wait and see what's going on. Yeah, this fridge was the peanut fridge. Yeah, although peanut is everywhere, but most peanut and carrot plant here, and I try to dig to see if the carrot is bearing, and trust me, yeah, the carrot is bearing. But I get to understand these okras are the same from the 13-inch one, yeah, but I don't know if because of it plant inside the fridge up here make it don't give me that tall one up there. You know, when it plant into the soil, it's much stronger. Yeah, the soil is give the nutrients more stronger, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okras. Yeah. So yes, my people. Some carrot inside here, and soon as I see the carrot start to dry up, you know, carrot is ready. It is time to dig carrot. But carrot and peanut is in one. Yeah? Carrot and peanut is in one. So, don't know how I'm going to do it. I have to just take time, try to get out whatsoever is ready. But I know peanut is there, you know? Peanut is there underneath. Yeah, this is the one of the tomato. Yeah, we call it cowboy tomatoes here. Yeah, this side need to weed out. I need to get some weeding done here. But you me so busy, you know. And the one altar would not even come help me weed out the place. Boy, I'm gonna tell you. But yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about, it's been a while, but trust me, nothing beat the right time, alright? Yes, my people. Me have a next bend up okra here too, you know, for show you, you know, guys. Yeah, look here. I don't know why it bend up like that, but it just bend up like that and I just leave it and so make it stay there and dry, you know. Don't know if I can get some more bend up one, you know. Yeah, after me plant it. But yes, my people. Yeah, man, I hit that, you know. Yeah. I update that on the organic farm, you know. Yes, I don't know. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet, you know what I mean? Yeah. The real man. It's all about plant something. We have to plant, because if we don't plant, we go hungry. And if we're hungry, we go feel bad. And if we feel bad, we go sick. And when time we're sick, something is going to happen, my friend. Yeah, me just love to see my sweet potato here. Alright, my viewers, I have 3 plants of snake flowers here. As you can see, I try to catch them, you know. So as you can see, I'm going to make 3 flower spot for these plants, especially. Yeah, so it's all about the snake plant. If you never know it, knew it before, you know it now. The snake plant, alright? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about farming. So here what they go on now. Thank you all for watching, you know. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. See? And I'm gonna leave you now. If you're new here, my name is Evah Slick. Don't forget to check out our next video on the channel. Alright, and you can go over by my next channel. Yeah, I have a lot of channel, you know, but I have a next channel here that is going on, you know, wonderful. Yeah, Laugh and Relationship TV. As you can hear the name, Laugh and Relationship TV. That channel was made for couple, 2 person, husband and wife, sweetheart and sweetheart. You know what I mean? Man and a woman, yes. So if you come in from work and feel tired and blow out, you can just go over to that channel, you know, laugh your worries away. Trust me. Yeah, man. So you don't know. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. I'm going to be out. So my brethrens and my sisterins, thank you all for watching. And I'm going to be out.